Hello and welcome. Today we will do some bottle crafting. That's glass bottle crafting. For this we need one glass bottle. We need Fevicryl molded. We need some acrylic colors, Fevicol and some tissue papers. So first of all we'll take our bottle and we will mark the bottle in a triangle. So this is my bottle and I had marked this bottle in triangle. Now we will take some mixture of Fevicol and water and we will apply this mixture within the mark. Apply this mixture. After this we will take tissue papers, paste this tissue paper within the triangle. And we will cut the extra part of tissue paper. Paste small pieces wherever it's required within the triangle. After covering this part from tissue paper, we will apply one more coat of Fevicol and water mixture on this tissue paper. Till then it get dry, we will cover this neck of the bottle with tissue paper by applying coat of this Fevicol and water mixture. Cover it with tissue paper. Now cover the upper part with tissue paper as well. Just apply some Fevicol and water mixture and we will cover the cap as well with the tissue paper. Now again give one more coating of this water and Fevicol on this tissue paper. After covering it with water and Fevicol mixture, we will let it dry for some time. So when it gets dry, we'll take our Fevicryl molded and we will mix these both clays together to get a perfect dough. To avoid stickness, put some talcum powder on this just to avoid stickness. After that we will give the shape to our Fevicryl molded and we will paste it here with the help of our Fevicol or any other glue. Just paste this with the help of Fevicol. Now let's make some other shapes from this Fevicryl molded. Now paste this. Now you can use any thick anything. Now you can use any sharp object to give it some shape. You can use any sharp object and just press it. Now let's give shape to this circle as well. Now let's make same more shapes for here. Now we had made two circles with the help of Fevicryl molded. Now we will paste here as well as here. It is very easy to give shapes to Fevicryl molded. Now just give patterns. With the help of any sharp object. Now here I had taken 3 small pieces of Fevicryl and we will paste these pieces here. So it is ready. Now it's time to decorate this neck. Now after covering it with Fevicryl molded, we will color all this part which we had covered with tissue paper with black color, that is black acrylic color. Now let's tissue paper. after coloring the bottle with black color, we will let it dry for some time. After it gets dry, we will take acrylic color, that is dry powder. I am taking silver color, and we will put the silver dust on the clay part, that is Fevicryl molded part. Just fill all the molded parts with this silver dust. And spread some dust on this tissue part, just some of the dust. Now in the same way we will decorate this cover. Just spread the dust with your finger on this molded part. And put some of the little dust on the rest of the black part. Just put some of the dust on the top as well. So our bottle is ready. It will give the metallic look. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.